Have you ever dreamt of populating your 3D scenes with captivating human characters, but been discouraged by the time-consuming task of constructing them from scratch? Look no further than Human Generator, a powerful add-on for your 3D work that empowers you to create a diverse cast of realistic human characters in a fraction of the time. Human Generator eliminates the need for meticulous modeling by providing you with a comprehensive library of ready-made full human body characters. These characters are not mere templates. They are highly customizable, allowing you to tailor their appearance to perfectly match your vision. You can transform your characters from youthful and vibrant to mature and experienced with simple sliders. Watch as their features subtly change, reflecting the passage of time. You can also adjust the weight and musculature of your characters using the intuitive body slider. Create slender, athletic figures or robust, powerful builds. The choice is yours. Human Generator also empowers you to define your character's facial features with precision. Refine jawlines, adjust cheekbones, and modify facial fullness with the dedicated face slider. You can also adjust the skin tone of your character as desired. A variety of eyebrow shapes are also at your disposal, allowing you to craft the perfect expression for each character. Further, enhance your character's individuality by applying makeup, and top off your characters with a variety of hairstyles in your desired colors. From flowing locks to sharp cuts, the possibilities are endless. With Human Generator, you don't just create characters, you also make them seamlessly adjust to your scenes. It breathes life into your characters with a comprehensive library of pre-made poses. From dynamic action shots to subtle gestures, you'll find the perfect pose to convey the desired mood and story. You can also dress your characters with ease using a vast collection of clothing options. In just a few clicks, you can outfit your entire cast, ensuring they perfectly match the setting and theme of your scene. And to add a bit of emotional touch, precisely tailored facial expressions are included, allowing your characters to convey a range of emotions. Whether you need a character to express joy, sorrow, anger, or anything in between, Human Generator has you covered. Generating diverse and realistic human characters has never been easier. With Human Generator Ultimate, you can create a multitude of characters in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your creative vision to life.